Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you Down in the Valley. I've presented it in two different keys to kind of give you some choices. The first time I sing it in the key of C, and it only uses two chords, a C chord and a G7 chord. The second time I sing it, I do a little bit of what's called a turnaround to get into the new key. That's when we play G minor, C7, F, and then in the key of F, we only have the F and the C7. The reason I did it in two keys is so you can pick the one that fits your voice better. Down in the valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, dear, hear the wind blow, hang your head over, hear the wind blow. Roses of sunshine, violets of dew, angels in heaven, no one of you, no one of you, dear, no one of you, angels in heaven, no one of you. If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.